Okay folks, whoops, I'm too zoomed in. Scrollwork Outside is the next pattern. I know I've done Scrollwork Inside before, so you can look up that pattern as well. Basically, it's the same pattern except for instead of doing all the scroll parts on the inside of this spiral, you're going to do it on the outside of the spiral. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a big spiral. That's first off. Okay. Second thing we're going to do, we're not going to draw this part, this where it's got dots here. She's just showing like that's the aim of this first piece. So basically you're going to make like a heart shape here, here, and then here. Okay. So you're going to make that curve and it's going to be like you're headed toward that spot, but you don't actually draw that. You only draw this part. But it's like you're aiming there. Okay. So we're going to do this one, then we're going to do that one. And then we're going to do this. Because you're aiming for going, you have this upward spot. It's kind of confusing, but when you watch me draw it, it's not that bad. So you're going to have this little upward spot, and then you're going to come around like this, but you're not going to come all the way down, and then you're going to go like that. So you're going to come up, part way, and then like that. Up, part way, like that. Up, part, and like that. And we're going to do that all the way around until you get to where things are kind of connecting here and you're just on the outside. You can do it all the way around, all the way into it if you want. And then shading. So let's give this a go. Size piece of paper do I want to use? Not that. Maybe one of these? No, I don't want that. I'm not prepared. Maybe one of these. Huh. Well, I didn't really want that a square size, but apparently square is what I'm going to do. Let's pick a color. Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. We've done that blue recently. We've done, let's do green. I haven't done this avocado green yet, so let's do the avocado green. Alright. And I'm just going to do one big one right here. I'm actually going to probably draw it. I'm going to draw it with pencil first to give me just a nice flowy shape. And I think I'm too close to my edge there. So I'm actually going to try again. Something like that. There we go. That's going to be my shape. And actually, I think I'm going to draw my scroll in a fatter pen. So I'm using an 08 for this part. Nice fat pen like that. And then I'll switch back to my 01 for the rest. I can erase all my pencil marks. Okay, step one. For this bottom one is kind of a heart shape. I'm going to actually start from the bottom and go up like that. and then go like that. Why not? Excuse me. And then this one is going to come from here and come up and kind of out. And then around like this and around like that. You see that? Am I too far away? Kind of up, around, and around, and up, and around, and around. That one wasn't quite as pretty of a shape because I went inward instead of outward. This shape kind of needs to come outward. And then around, and around, like that. And that's not quite the right shape, but you know what? I'm going to live with it. Looks better with a more outward curve, I think. But you can see how it doesn't really matter which curve that is. That's a completely different curve. As long as you kind of come around and then around again, you're making that kind of shape on the outside of this spiral. It does look a little funky on a great big huge spiral like this, but that's okay. Oops, I wasn't supposed to go all the way to the edge with that one, but that's okay too. One more. Just gonna decorate that a bit. See? And now I've scrolled on the outside. And then you can do whatever you want to embellish this. If you want to, you feel like it needs maybe another little thing coming out here. Since I made this spiral so big, I feel like it's almost needing something else. So let's just do this. There we go. Felt like it needed something else, so I just added to it. You can do whatever you want. You want to do an aura around the whole thing now? You can. You want to, you know, do whatever you want to embellish this. Feel like it needs something, so I'm going to add something. Uh-oh, sounds like somebody's having some roof work done. We have had a lot of rain the last couple of weeks, and it's going to rain again tomorrow or late tonight. So, it does sound like roofers somewhere in the neighborhood. I like that. I like that a lot. Now I'm going to do a little bit of shading. I guess I should write Scrollwork Outside on here. A little bit of shading. I'm going to put shading just in these spots where it kind of comes together and overlap. And maybe a little tiny bit on the little V parts here. I'm not doing a lot, just barely a touch like that. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back, of course, with a light color, either my white or my cream, and give it some highlights, and that will just make it pop. I need to work this afternoon on my ceiling in my art room. I'm almost done, but I need to make more art. I ran out of art because there were some things I didn't want to make permanently on up there because, you know, if I should move or whatever, not that I'm planning on it, but you never know, then it's permanent. It's not going anywhere. And it will be left here with the house. And there's some artwork I actually wanted to keep and not put up there. So I actually ran out of art. So I've been making a ton. And I think I have enough now to finish the ceiling. I need to work on that. I need to go find the step ladder. It was in here, but either my husband or my son must have used it for a project, and then they probably put it away in the garage. I need to go dig that out. Something like that. A little bit of shading. Give it a little bit of pop, and then I think I want the cream color. I don't want it white, but I did like the way that cream color came out on this paper, so I'm going to do the cream. See, it's not super bright white like I've been doing. It's just a little. I like it. I think on these little guys, I'm gonna want something too, but I don't think I want this color. Maybe I'll get out the like bright green. That. And I think, no, I don't think green's gonna do it. I think I need a red or an orange. I'm gonna do the orange. Just right there. Inside that little loop. A little contrasty color to the green. But if I put it red, it would make it too Christmassy looking. I didn't really want Christmassy. So the orange is a good also contrast. Give it a pop color. Just inside those little loops that I made. And then do I want a little bit right here? I think I do. Didn't think I wanted these things orange, but apparently they want to live with an orange tinge. So, it's alright. I just listen to my tile. If it says it wants orange, I give it orange. Okay, it wanted orange. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, so we are done with that one. Scrollwork Outside, that's for Wednesday. Friday's going to be Shake Hand, and then next week I'm going to be on a cruise. But I will make my videos, so you'll see them even if I'm not home. You'll see them. Yeah. I'm looking forward to my cruise. I really am. I need a vacation. Okay, you guys have a really great day. I will see you later. Go out and do something nice for someone today and make this world a better place by smiling and being kind and nice to one another. You know, kindness just spreads, and so just do it, right? Just do it. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.